Hi YouTube, this is Catwable. I'm a seeing unboxing all my Christmas stuff today. We'll have the unboxing scanners for the Xbox One. So got Blast Zone, Rush Buckler and Ninja Stealth as normal. And the back of the box, which just features high swap, gameplay, even some scanners. And I'm trying to be careful to unbox this. And it's sellotape. Do not try to hold. And then I'll be back in 1 minute. Sorry about this, I'm having problems. I'll start in the next video. I'm back. Now, I think I was hoping with scissors. Don't try to know. Let's see. What have I done? Right. That's what you get, as usual. Now, I'm going to set this Skylanders out. Don't find it up my nose. Finally, this Stealth Elf. That's the normal version. As a Dark Edition, this is the normal version. Okay? Now I got all these up. I am back. Hey, here's normal wash. Here's normal wash buckler. Nose colours. Our Dark Edition there. This is the normal one. And normal Blast Zone. I don't know if you can swap it. So then I made Blast Buckler and Wash Zone. Started in it. Then and just swap them back. So 3 figures. A pull of power. With USB cable. 2 now. I keep on for that right, yeah. Because I got my stuff. Because don't base this is okay, now I can throw that away. You see guys, you got codes which I'm hard to see. We're like in 1 minute trying to open this box. I am back. Okay, we've got one last. Instructions we don't need. Blast Zone. So I'll hunch his Blast Zone card. So like 100, 50, 120, 70. For wash booklet, it's 100, 110, 60, and 100. And 80. Not bad for wash booklet. And then you've got nature stealth valve with 70, 40, 130, and 70. Not bad. And obviously you cannot use the codes. So that's nature stealth valve 1. That's a wash buckler 1. And that's plastering 1. Okay? And now for the final truth of this bot force. Our dot posted there for the dog editions, big one for Spells, Venture, Giants and Spot Buzz. 2 answers, yeah, or what? Which we got a big poster. We got Free Wincher, Booncher. We got Ico Tornado, Home Bass Whirlwind, Juggle Check Fack, Popcorn, and Squash. We got Bumblast, Zulu, Prone Camo, Self Health, Ico Bumble Blast, and got Sing Bong Controller, all the characters. And we got Heat Zone, Wash Shake, Marker Bomb, and Bubble Wincher. The big poster, nothing on back. There's a huge big poster, and the game. I was actually destroyed by accident. Whoops. But it's game. So you enjoyed my Scam Top Force unboxing video.